Hi there. Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to change your Jamf ID email address in Jamf Account. After logging into Jamf Account with the Jamf ID you want to update, navigate to Profile on the left, and then click Personal. Next to your Jamf ID email, click Change. Remember, your Jamf ID email is used for authentication to all Jamf ID connected properties. This includes Jamf Account, Jamf Nation, and could include Jamf products, such as Jamf Pro with SSO authentication enabled. Currently, my Jamf ID email address is a personal one, but it can be helpful and sometimes necessary to have the address associated with my organization instead, so I'm updating it to my work email address. After entering the new email addresses and confirming that they are the same, click Save. A verification email is sent to the new address for us to confirm our requested change. Once verified, our Jamf ID email address is updated. If you have any questions or issues updating your Jamf ID email address, be sure to reach out to support for assistance. Thanks for watching.